Babe, guess where we headed?
Where am I driving to?
There's two waterfalls about an hour and 20 minutes from here that you can actually walk behind, and that's where we're headed to. And we're going to get plenty of video. Are you excited?
Yay.
You don't want to go? Babe,
What?
you don't want to go?
I got more important things to do.
Like what?
Nothing.
So you guys, we're in Hiawassee, Georgia, and we're headed to North Carolina, which North Carolina is only like 20 minutes from here. But we're
North Carolina, 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes from here. But we're headed up to see two waterfalls, and I'll get you the information and have it in the description below. To see two waterfalls.
If y'all really want to know the truth, she committed to ride her motorcycle up there on the Cherry Skyway.
Yes.
And the people we riding with also want to do the Tail of the Dragon, and she's scared. So we going up there to take a look at the road of what we really doing.
Yay!
So
We're gonna get you guys later, and you'll see the video of the waterfalls.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye. Well, we made it here through the twisties and the turns of North Carolina, here to Bridal Veil Falls, the scenic area for the waterfalls. If you follow me, you'll see this one waterfall over here. I love that it's falling off of the rock and you can walk behind it. Yeah, and I think this is one of my greatest. I love to see the water falling off the rock, whether it's a waterfall or not. But it's a beautiful little area right here. Got plenty of people out today. How you doing? Good, thank you. Got plenty of people out today riding around on this beautiful day, coming to check out the falls themselves.
You can walk behind it, babe.
Walking behind, I guess that's a cave right there that I will not be exploring. You gonna go in the cave, babe?
Yeah.
You going in?
I'm going in.
Just call my name if you need me. Look at this right here. You gotta be careful. Look at this rock.
Okay, here. And people been in there, huh?
Yeah, we just saw a gentleman coming out of here earlier. I don't know how far he went in, and I don't mean this to be, funny, but he had a little, like a prosthetic, so, you can't go in it. I guess he just hung out right here. But, oh my God. Come take a look at this right here where the water falling down and stuff in there.
Let's go to the front of the waterfall. But that's a nice place to take pictures, huh?
Yeah, or take a nap.
I'll take a nap. Coming to the front of
that, and I used to think all the time, and I still do want to travel, abroad and go out to different countries and stuff. But, my mind was like there was nothing in this United States or whatever, but there's plenty of stuff to see. I mean, we rode the car. We'll take a motorcycle ride up here. But we got in the car and it was an hour? It was an hour to get here from where we're staying in Georgia up in Hawaii.
So this is one of the two. Oh, babe, look on up. Look all the way up. Beautiful. This is what I love, baby. Look at it coming all the way down. It is beautiful. Oh my God. Hey, let's get a picture right here.